Back friends, previously we saw the example related to multiplication of fraction and division of fraction. Okay, so અહીંયા સુધી fraction નો topic cover થયો. In fraction what we have learned? Addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, comparison of fraction. In these three methods you need to take LCM to make denominator same. Fraction ના example હોય, addition ના હોય, subtraction ના હોય કે comparison હોય. Denominator same કરવો પડે. Next, we learn multiplication of fraction and division of fraction. In multiplication of fraction, what we have to do? Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And in the division, what we have to do? Division is converted into multiplication by writing the reciprocal of next number. Clear? Today we will start the decimal of a number. Decimal number we already learned in previous standard. Decimal number already learned karela cha. Okay, so let's revise that topic. What we have learned, let's say this is the number, decimal number 246.93. so what is the place value of each place? This is at which place? 100th place, and 9 is at the 10th place, 6 at the 1st place, 4 at the 10th place, and 2 at the 100th place. So place value of 3 at the 100th place, and place value will be 3 by 100. 9 at the 10th place, and its place value is 9 by 10. 1 6, that is 6 into 1, place value of 6 is 6. 4 at the 10th place, and its place value is 40, means 4 multiplied 10. 2 multiply 100, 100 that is 200. Clear? Next, 6 to 4, 624.891. So 1 is at the 1000 place. 1000 place, so it is 1 by 1000. Clear? Now 9 at the 100th place, so it is 9 by 100. 8 at the 10th place, so it is 8 by 10. Clear? This is the place value of each number. 4 at the 1st place, so it is 4. 2 at the 10th place, so 2 into 10, that is 20. And 6 at the 100th place, 6 into 100. Means, from the decimal point, if we are moving on right side, decimal point की right side जाइए तो divide by 10 करते जावानो, and decimal point की left side जाइए तो multiply by 10 करो. You can see here multiply with 1, then 10, then again 10, it is 100. Here divide by 10, then divide by 10, that is 10 and 10, 100. Then after 100, it is again divide by 10 to get next number, it is 1000. Clear? तो जेम लेफ्ट साइड जाइए एम 10 10 થી ડિવાઇડ કરવાનો અને ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટ ની right left side जाइए. This is right side and this is left side. So if we are moving on left side, need to multiply with 10 to write the place value. Clear? Now expanded form. We will write expanded form. It means place value of each digit in number. So what is the place of 2? It is at the 100th place. 100, so it is 200. You can write 2 into 100 plus 9 into 10 because it is at the 10th place. 6 into 1, 1's place plus 0 at the 10th place. So 0 into 1 by 10. આ લખો કે ના લખો ચાલે કેમ કે 0 ને કોઈ પણ નંબર થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ એટલે 0 છે. 4 it means 4 multiply 1 by 100 and 3 it means 3 multiply 1 by 1000, it is 3 by 1000. Okay, that is 1000th place. Now next number 900, place value of 9. 60, place value of 6. 5, place value of 5 because it is 1, 10 and 100. Clear? Instead of this you can also write this step. 8 at the 10th place, so 8 by 10, and 4 at the 100th place, so 4 by 100. For next number 400 plus 30 plus 2 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. Clear? This thing we already learned in a 6th standard. Now comparison. We also learned this how we can compare the decimal number. કેવી રીતે સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનું? first digit જોવાનો અને first digit જોવાનો. If they are same, then move to the next digit. So one by one we need So here 2 2 6 6 4 4. All three digits before the decimal points are same. So we need to move next. Here next digit is 0 and the next digit is 8. So which one is greater, 0 or 8? Obviously 8 is greater. So this is greater. Clear? Now next 643. Here it is also 643. 30 and 300. This digit is 3. This digit is 0. And after that there is no digit, and but here digit 0 is there. But we can also write 0 here. And here 0 consider correct. That's why they are same. Okay. Last decimal number ni last में 0 add करो तो कोई फेर ना पड़े. Means it is 30 or 300. Both are same. Clear? Now next. Here 986 and here 90 before the decimal point. અહીંયા decimal point પહેલા 3 digit છે, અહીંયા decimal point પહેલા 2 digit છે. Which one will be greater? 3 digit number. So you can write greater than sign. 110. Here it is also 110. After that 1 and here is 0. Which one is greater? 1 or 0? 1. So this is greater than sign. Clear? This way we can compare the decimal point. એટલે આપણે જે અત્યાર સુધીને ભણ્યા હતા ડેસિમલમાં એ રિવાઇઝ કર્યું. डेसिमल नंबर नेम केवी रीते लखવાનું 432.112. You can write 112. Clear? Then we write expanded form, place value and comparison. Now conversion of units. आपण આપણે 6th standard માં લર્ન કરી લીધું છે, but again we revise the topic. Conversion of units means convert rupees into paisa, paisa into rupees, convert gram into kilogram or kilogram into gram. Okay, આ બધું આપણે already exercise બહુ સરસ રીતે કરી દીધી છે. So let's start, revise it. Okay, first is 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. We already know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. But if the conversion of paisa into rupees is given, so what you can do? So 1 by 100 rupees is equal to 1 paisa. 100 से क्या divide में देते हैं? Means 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. Clear? अब हम तुमने example में 3 paisa means converted into rupees. It means you need to divide 3 by 100 rupees. Clear? Or any of decimal you can write 0.03. Clear? Okay. If there is a rupees into paisa, then it is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, and 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. Same, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram is equal to what? 1 by 1000 kg. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So if I give you what is value of 225 gram, that is 25 divided by 1000 kg. You can write it in the decimal 0 point. હવે divide માં 30 હોય means decimal પછી 3 number આવવા જોઈએ. So here where you need to take decimal point? Here 1 2. Third and after that point 0. 3 0 હોય means you need to write decimal point after 3 digits. So 1 2 3 after that decimal point. Clear? Now 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So 1 mm is equal to what? 1 by 10 centimeter. So if I give you 5 mm, it means 5 by 10 centimeter. अब divide by 10 means 0.5 centimeter. Clear? Now 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter is equal to what? 1 by 1000 kilometer. So if I give you 2156 meters, so convert into kilometer, divide by 1000 kilometer. So there are 3 digits in a decimal. It means 2.156 kilometer. 3 digit પછી point કરવાના. So 1 2 3 after that decimal point. Clear? Now next. Examples are given. 75 paisa to rupees. Convert 75 paisa to rupees. So for paisa to rupees, what we have to do? Divide by 100. 75 paisa is equal to 75 divided by 100 rupees. To convert it into rupees, divide by 100. So our decimal to 0, it means you need to put decimal point after 2 digits. So 75 before that point and 0, 0.75 rupees. Clear? Now 851 gram to kilogram. To convert gram into kilogram, divide by 1000. So divide by 1000 kg. Now here 3 zeros in a denominator means you need to write 3 number after decimal point. So it is 0.851 kg. Clear? Now next one, 5 mm to centimeter. To convert mm to centimeter, divide by 10. So it is 5 by 10 centimeter. It is 0.5 centimeter. Clear? Now next one, 150 meter to kilometer. Now meter to kilometer means divide by 1000. So 115 divide by 1000 kilometer. If there are 3 0 in a denominator means decimal point there must be 3 digits. Means 0.115 kilometer. Okay. Now next one. 5165 gram to kg. Gram to kg means divide by 1000. So it is divide by 1000. So 30 in a denominator. It means you need to place a decimal point after 3 digits. So it is 5.165 kg. Clear? This way you can perform the conversion of units. Now again revise the topic of addition and subtraction of decimal. So first example, 2.354 plus 11.145. Whenever there is an addition of decimal, write the decimal point below the decimal point. Decimal point ની નીચે જ decimal point આવવું જોઈએ, બાકીના digit arrange કરો. Clear? So here first number is 2.354. Where is the decimal point here? Here, so we need to write decimal point exact below the decimal point. 11 will be like this and 145 will be like this. Now add the digits. 4 plus 5 9, 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 1 4, decimal point 2 plus 1 3. Here you can consider 0, so it is 1. Clear? Now next one. 11.56 plus 11.02 plus 0.003. Same decimal point must be exactly below the decimal point. So 11.56. Here 11.02 and 0.003. You can write this remaining digit 0. Here now I have 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 3. 3. 6 plus 2. 8. 5.22. You can consider here 0. Clear? Now next. 951.112 plus 56.35. You can see there is a decimal point exactly below the decimal point. Here no digit is given, so you can write 0. Here also you can write 0. 2, 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, so it is 1007.462. Now next, 1.136 plus 2.645 plus 1.001. 5 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 12, 1 carry. 4 plus 2 8, 6 plus 1 7.780. Now subtraction of digits. Now subtraction of digit, same, write the decimal point exactly below the decimal point. So it is 564.034 minus 211.2. Okay, you can see decimal point is exactly below the decimal point. Remaining digits must be 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 0 minus 2, so you need to take carry. Borrow, it is 10 and 3. 10 minus 2, 8. Point, 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 1, 5 and 3. Okay, remaining subtraction is as same we perform the simple subtraction. Simple subtraction કરતા તા એવું જ કરવાનું છે, just decimal point ની નીચે decimal point આવવું જોઈએ. Next example, 963.05 minus 11.536. Now here no digits, so you can write 0. Here also you can write 0. 0 minus 6, borrowing, so 10 and 4. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Again borrowing, 10, 2. 10 minus 5, 5. 1, here 5 and 9. Clear? Now next one, 189.634 minus 53.113. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1, 2. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 5, 3 and 1. So this way you can perform the addition and subtraction in a decimal.